Mr. War had absolutely no respect, no love. War became so violent that zones of special operations had to be mounted in our little island home, Jamaica. And even states of emergency had to be summoned. But today, we are proud to say we're burying Mr. War and we're burying the things that would lead to war. Because today, all we are saying, peace we say.
Yes, you heard right. Mr. War and his affiliates were buried during the Peace Day celebrations at Denham Town Primary School recently, and the Trees for Peace initiative was planted. Trees signify a fresh start on life, positive energy, good health, and a bright future. It's no wonder the Violence Prevention Alliance and the Ministries of Education and Justice have launched the Trees for Peace competition in schools.
We're planting trees for peace because it's part of an overall program that we're looking to improve the behavior in schools and to reduce the violence in schools and replace it with peace.
We here at Denham Town, we are excited to start the ball roll because we are going to, put some benches in there and people come and relax, and when you have disagreement or just unwind in our peace garden. And not only that, we want other schools and community to copy our peace garden.
It is a reminder that while there is a place for the zone of special operation, while there is a space for the limited state of emergency, the Ministry of Education and schools and stakeholders of our education system also has a fundamental role to play.
And speaking about stakeholders, the initiative, which was jointly launched at the Zozo communities of Denham Town in Kingston and Mount Salem in St. James, would not be possible without the many partners and supporters. They have challenged schools to establish peace gardens where students and members of the community can go to resolve conflicts, relax, and just enjoy the natural environment. You've heard the cry of the students, but how can you join this initiative, you ask?
The requirements for the competition is to fill in the registration form and to send a picture of where your peace garden will be. We need to get the registration in during the month of March, so up to the 31st of March.
Months later, we're going to be visiting schools again and acknowledging and rewarding and celebrating their achievement. We are going to be incentivizing their effort.
Schools that establish and maintain their peace gardens will not only receive cash prizes and trophies, their stories will also be shared across Jamaica.
Think of a fellow man, lend him a helping hand, put a little peace in your heart, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. Just wait and see. Peace was said.
And why should you join the fight for peace?
It will build a really great community, because why some children is afraid to come out of their houses is because of the crime and the violence in the community. So we will have a better chance to have more children at school.
Peace will help, like, tranquility in the community, so they can concentrate in their work and get better grades.
One of the important things that the security forces has told us that they need the cooperation of all the other services to really re-establish peace. They can't always be here in this number, and we're building the foundation, and the branches and the leaves of the trees will help keep, and the roots that we're watering will help keep the community together and keep the peace as we go forward.
For more information on the Trees for Peace initiative, call 702-2709 or 774-5348. You may also email vpajamaica@gmail.com.